What's up guys again, and I'm back with another DeepVerse video. So in this video I want to withdraw 200,000 naira live. So you guys have seen how much I've been withdrawing all these days. I've been making a whole lot of money with DeepVerse, and you guys, there's no excuse for not making money. Do you understand? Like, the platform is really awesome, and you can't even use country, you're not location barrier as an excuse. No matter which country you are in, you can withdraw, you can deposit. Simple. You just come up here. Like, let me say you're in the US, you're in Canada, you're in Australia, New Zealand, whatever. You can deposit with USDT. All you just need to do is come here, USDT, and copy your address and pay. If you're in Nigeria, you want to deposit in Naira, you come to fiat and it's already in Naira. You put the amount you want to deposit and click buy. That's all. Withdrawal is the same thing. You come to withdraw and it's on default is on TRC20. That is for cryptocurrency. But if you want to withdraw Naira, which we want to do right now, so I'll switch it to this, and I'm going to put 100,000 Naira. Shit, that is 100. Then I'm going to put my bank name. I don't know whether it's safe having these details out, but whatever. If you guys want to hack my bank account, you should hack my bank account. Where is my bank? You put your bank, right? You put your account number 236514704. Phone number 09051173063. Kai, I'm giving out so many details here. Then withdraw. Operation succeeded. So you can see I've withdrawn. Now you can come and check your transactions here. You can see you come here to transactions, withdraw. Now this is the 100,000 naira. See the time. The time is what? 3:56. You can see 3:56. I'll pause the video here and I'll make the video again when I've received the money. So I'll show you guys. I'm going to refresh the page. I'm going to refresh the page now. So I think the money should have been sent. I just want to show you guys so that you guys see how awesome it is. Where is it? Okay. Transactions, withdraw. You have seen the success, right? Now I want to show you people so that you people see that it's legit. Now see something. I want you people should see the account details. 5,000. I just want to do like I want to I just want to do like I'm depositing to show you people something. Now this is how the deposit, right? This is how the deposit, blah blah blah. You pay with blah 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 blah, whatever. Now I don't know if my email will show the debit. As I said, remember the date too. Wait, I don't even mind showing you guys one of the bank apps I use for this. Oh yeah, let me go to transaction history. Now see it here. BrickSmart. Can you see it? 100,000 from BrickSmart. Now this BrickSmart, they are the ones that pay this whatever. They just paid it right now. So guys, it works. Like, it really works. I guarantee you'll make money.
So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Click the notification button so that when next I post another valuable video like this, you get to see it first. Okay, this is DeepVerse. Let's go make the money. Ciao guys.